Twitch raises subscription prices to boost streamer revenue. Twitch, the popular video game streaming platform, has announced a price hike for its subscriptions. The move aims to increase revenue for streamers and make streaming more sustainable. Price hikes have affected more than 30 countries, including the United States. Tier 1 subscribers will now pay $5.99 per month, up from $4.99, while Tier 2 and Tier 3 will remain unchanged at $9.99 and $24.99 respectively. Twitch's decision follows similar price hikes by other streaming services such as Spotify, Netflix, and Peacock. The company says the move will help creators build and grow their communities around the world. Streamers will still receive a 50% revenue share depending on their Plus program level. Twitch has an age to grade 2024 with layoffs, its Safe Advisory Council being shut down, and its CEO admitting that the company isn't profitable. The move raises questions about the sustainability of streaming services and their pricing models. In recent years, many streaming services have raised their prices, making it harder for consumers to justify cutting the cord. This trend appears to be annual, with major streamers like Netflix, Disney Plus, and Apple TV Plus increasing their prices in 2023. The price hike has sparked mixed reactions from consumers, with some supporting the move and others threatening to cancel their subscriptions. Some streamers have also raised concerns about the impact on their revenue, as viewers may be less likely to subscribe at a higher price. However, Twitch remains committed to supporting its streamers, with plans to introduce new features and tools to help them grow their audience. The company has also pledged to continue investing in its community and safety initiatives, despite the recent layoff and closure of its Safety Advisory Council.